Hey, it's me, Mikey. Today I'm going to maintain my zero-turn lawnmower with my dad. We're going to be doing an oil change and much more stuff. Now we're going to be talking about the things that we're going to use to do the oil change. Oil cleaner, sparky sticks, and the air filter. And we also put this water under there so our floor doesn't get wet if any bad oil leaks. The first thing you want to do is warm your oil up so it drains really quickly. Well, that's enough of that! It doesn't really matter what order you do in it, but I would like to start with the air filter. What about you? Now we're going to use my favorite tool, the screwdriver. Just kidding. We're going to use the screwdriver, but for real. All you have to do is twist this. Now you're going to put this in here. For the next part, we're going to be draining the oil right here using my toolkit. Now if that worked, now the oil is draining down the engine. While that's draining, we're going to take the spark plugs out. This is the old spark plug and this is the new spark plug. We just took this one out and we're going to repair it with this one. You can see a big comparison. Now I'm going to start loosening the oil filter. So to make a good seal on here on the oil filter, you just dip your finger in there. Then you rub it around the corner. Now I'm going to tighten the oil filter. Now we're going to put this where the oil is. Make sure it doesn't fall into the bucket of oil. To tighten it. Don't forget to make it easier, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now that the filter plug is all in, we're going to use this oil to fill it up with oil. This is how to make it nice. Then you can see oil coming down. It's pretty satisfying to watch, huh? Now we need to make sure that there's enough oil. So you twist it out. Take it out. It's up to there. Now we're going to fire it up and see if all that stuff that we did back there worked. You can see it working back there. Well, that was a good party.